So if you've recently started a fitness program, you're new or newer to working out, one of your goals may be to do a pull-up. Just like the push-up, this is something that many people starting out can't yet do and might think is impossible. Not true. Anyone can do a pull-up. Hi and welcome to E3 Strength. My name is Earl and today we're going to be doing a pull-up. So just like our TRX or any other row, this exercise starts with shoulder retraction. That's because the rotator cuff is made to be engaged. When your rotator cuff is not engaged, that's when you have separation in the shoulder. The rotator cuff's main purpose is to keep the head of the humerus in the shoulder joint. So we don't want to be bottoming out and putting a lot of tension on the shoulder. So let's start with a traditional, regular grip and show you what a pull-up should look like. So with a shoulder width grip, you're going to retract your shoulders to hold yourself off the ground and then pull your chest toward the bar by squeezing your shoulder blades together. That's your traditional pull-up. Now, the first thing many people say is, well, I can't pull myself up. So let's get started on how you start pulling yourself up. With our bench in place behind me, we're gonna work on starting at the top of the range of motion and lowering ourselves down. Now, this is great because it's gonna incorporate more muscles and actually make you stronger so that way when you practice actually pulling up, it'll get easier. So let's take a look at the top of the range of motion. If you're short like me, you'll have to hop, but you want to pause for 1 to 2 seconds at the top and then control your negative down at least half speed of what a normal pull-up should be on the way up. Take a look. 1, 2, nice, slow and controlled negative down, and then drop. Obviously, you can only do 1 rep at a time, but every rep is going to make you strong. So if you're like me, you're probably impatient. You don't want to spend all of your time working on those negatives 1 rep at a time. So behind me, we've hooked up a 41-inch circular band, and this is gonna launch me toward the ceiling so that I can work on my up and my down. So one of the hardest parts about using a band like this is actually getting into it. So once you get 1 foot in, I recommend using only 1 and not 2 so that way you can easily kick a foot back and dismount back to your bench. With that traditional overhand grip that we were using earlier, lower yourself down, chin up, chest up, retract and squeeze your shoulders, 1, 2 at the top, and control back down. This is great practice and will allow you to get multiple reps back to back. While we're up here, let's go over the grips. An underhanded grip constitutes a chin-up, and this is just going to require more biceps versus back. If you go wide and overhand, similar to our earlier grip, this is engage more lats. And obviously our shorter width overhand grip is a nice hybrid in between. So that's a pull-up. A lot of different information that'll help you to either get started or maybe improve your current form. We hope that this video has been helpful. If it has, please give us a like, a comment, or a share. And let us know how E3 can help you guys in the future. For more great videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks.